Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical.Kanin. Once again, I am here with a new topic. Today is a very important topic for the civil engineers who are working in building constructions. This is a very important topic for them, especially in interviews. Question is also asked: what is one-way slab and what is a two-way slab? I will give you a full detail about one-way and two-way slab. Please friends, try to understand. If you feel any sort of difficulty after lecture, you can ask me. So friends, let's start first of all from what is one-way slab. Very easy friends. You have given a plot size, for example 80 by 36. It says length divided by width, result will be greater than 2. Length divided by width greater than 2. Length, for example, we have 80 by 36 plot area. Okay friends, 80 is the length, 36 is the width. 80 divided by 36 greater than 2. This is the result. 2.2 greater than 2 means this is a one-way slab. Okay friends, number 2, bending moment in one direction. This is 36, this is 80 feet length, and bending moment will be in one direction friends. Okay, like this. Okay friends, now we are coming to our two-way slab. Okay friends, length divided by width, result should be less than 2. Length, for example, we have plot size 60 by 40, length 60 divided by 40 less than 2. When we are simplifying this 60 by 40, it's 1.5 less than 2. 1.5 is less than 2, so it's a two-way slab. Bending moment in two directions. In one-way slab, bending moment was in one direction. In two-way slab, it's two direction, like this. Like this. This is a 40 feet, this is 60 feet. Now we are coming towards support for one-way slab. Slab supported on beam in one direction. One-way slab. Okay friends, support, it will be supported on beam in one direction like this. This will be the beam, this will be supported like this. Okay friends, now load. Okay, coming towards load carrying in one direction like this. Okay, only in one direction. Now coming towards the reinforcement steel. Reinforcement steel will be less and more in thick for one-way slab. Main bar should be placed in one direction. Friends, in one-way slab, main bars should be placed like this. Okay friends, and distribution bar will be placed in straight in one like this. Okay friends, now coming towards the two-way slab, support slab, that will be a reciprocal. Load will be in two direction. Reinforcement will be also a reciprocal. Okay friends, now we are coming towards usage. What is and how one-way and two-way slabs are used. Veranda and chhajjas is an example of one-way slab. Friends, if anybody is asking you, give an example for one-way slab, you have to say chhajja and veranda are the example of one-way slab because it supports in one direction. A span 3.5 meter will be safe. 3.5 meter for one-way slab will be safe. Okay friends, now coming two-way slab. Two-way slab, 6 by 6 meter span will be safe. Not less than 6.6 meter for two-way slab and not less than 3.5 meter for one-way slab. Okay friends, this was all about one-way and two-way slab. It was a very important topic. You have to remember things, you have to get concept clear in interviews. Maybe these sort of questions mostly asked while in interview. Still, if you feel any sort of confusion, you can ask me. I will reply you. I hope so. I will appear with a new topic, with a new lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.